Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very nice drawing. You can see the bigger circle here. So in this drawing, the girl is just, biting his tongue, which is coming out from his mouth. So let's see what he can do. Let's start the drawing from the eyes here. So we're putting the smaller circle, drawing like this. Okay. And for the left eye, let's draw another circle like this. All right. This is a cross sign, looks like X, the English alphabet or the letters. Okay, and for the mouth, you can see we're just doing the graphical presentation. So the half circle you can see here, this is going to be a bold outline of the black color, and we're putting it like this. And the tongue coming out from the mouth, this is going to look like this one. Okay. Now we are going to put the color. First, let's fill up this part with a dark black color with the use of the marker. This is a whiteboard marker you can purchase in all stationery stores, easily available, and you can make the a bigger place, make it darker, and the time it's taking is a very less time. Okay, so for the eyes, let's put the shades of this is a ash color shades for the eyes here. All right, also for this side too, we're going to provide the shades of ash color shade here. The drawing is in progress. Stay with the channel, do not skip any parts of the videos, so that so many instructions are given during the procedures of the drawing. So this is done. Now we are going to color the red color for the tongue here. All right, so you can see the coloring. The drawing is going to nicely visible. Okay, now we are using the marker to put the color, a uniform color for the whole drawing. All right, you can see the whole color is done. So now this looks good and very expressive as a symbolic or graphical drawings and a good presentations. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel as you like the video and put the bell icons on to have all the updates in near future. You can also browse through the playlist in the channel to select the categories and which parts you want to draw or learn as a beginning. This is going to be very helpful. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.